Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Queen here, and today I have my February subscription from Sadie stickers. So if you do not want to see this kit, this is your time now to leave. If you do not want a spoiler, this is your time to leave if you still want to be surprised when your sticker kits get here. So I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to leave. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So let's look at the deco kit first. This is the vellum. Okay, so we're doing a blue, oh, let's see, February 2024 mystery. It's so pretty. Look at the blues and the pinks. Blues, pinks, and purples. Okay. That is so pretty. Look at that vellum. Okay, let me get this out of the way. Okay. So we have our flowers, our individual flowers. And then we have all of our edges. This is so good. Oh my gosh. We have the bouquets. I love how she numbers them too, because I always like try to keep them in like the order that they're in. The corners, beautiful. And borders, and I love how she gives you like a little bit more of the individuals in there. And then we have our date dots and like the alcohol, not alcohol, the transparent dots are like alcohol swatches, so they're not like the full circle. I like that. And then we have our days, and I don't know if you can tell, there's a little bit of line in between there, and then you have a little bit of the floral on each side, and then one with none at all. And these are so small. We have our paper trims or paper strips. Look at this artwork. Oh my gosh. The box swatches. And then the deco page. Get that window twice. Oh wait, though, there's one with florals and one without florals. And then you get like 2 little smaller borders. They're like the size for the date cover, like to put above your date cover. Very nice. And then we have our washi swatches, and then the mini washi swatches. Oh, try a sample of our washi paper, available soon. Ooh, oh my goodness. Ooh, okay. She's gonna have some washi. Okay, we might have to switch to the washi. We'll test it and see. Let me find my planner really quick. Sorry if you could hear my heater on. I was cold. I'm gonna put it in the back of this book, my little journaling book, and we can test out the washi. So excited. Let's do the butterfly. Ooh, you know what, that looks really good. And the color saturation is so good. It's shiny, but it's not like shiny to the point where you can't stand it. The shininess actually makes the color pay off better. That looks really good. Let me put one more down. Yeah, I definitely see that the color payoff is really good. So I just wanted to try that out with you all. That is really good. Now let's go to the kit. So I have the decorative and I have the weekly kit. So let's go over that. You don't want to be spoiled with the weekly. This is your time to run out now. I'm gonna show it in 5, 4, 3, 2. Just getting them all turned the right way. 1. Let's adore this for one moment. Can we just take in how beautiful those colors are? The quote says, "I am sure this is magic in everything." No, I am sure there is magic in everything. That is so pretty. Perfect for spring, like welcoming spring, light, airy. Could be for the month of April or the end of March. Foiled in silver. Zoom out a little bit. Yeah, foiled in silver. That is so good. Okay, I was trying to fix my camera really quick. Then there's the boxes page. The functional. Love this lace. The lace headers. And then we got a full box of the notebook paper. Ooh, I like that. Got some splotches of the circles, the squares in the midi boxes. We got some extra torn paper. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I can use like a floral and I can use a blank at the top of my date cover area. I was like, oh no, they're both like, each of the colors are only on one side, but they're on both sides. Okay, washi sheet. Look at that washi. Oh my goodness, the foiling and the florals. You get a little bit of deco in there. And then we have our deco sheet. Got so much in this kit. The journaling. I love, love, love these little stamps here. This looks new. It has like a little floral trim under there and floral there. I like that. And look, the little mini deco on this sheet. Some grid. I love this grid. We have a lot of grid. Look at this notebook too. The lines and little pieces of washi. I love that. I gotta see how I would use these, like just to add maybe a pop of color somewhere, or I guess a layer under something. And then we get all of the floral goodness. We get some individual pieces, bouquets. Like, there's about 19 to 20 bouquets on here. And your washi trims. And then we have the alcohol ink swatches. I think one is definitely enough. Yes, one is definitely enough. Now let's look at the foil that came with it. We have the foil sampler here. We have some washi, some dividers, some butterflies, little mini ones, a little bit bigger. Got the cluster ones. Got some stamps and some bows. That is so pretty. I think I will probably pull in some more, like more deco for this, because I like to put like a lot. I don't think this is enough. Like this wouldn't be enough for my spread. Like this might be enough for the date cover area, but it won't be enough like to take care of my whole spread. But I love the washi. That is beautiful. Very beautiful. So what do you all think about this kit? Is it a win? Like, I love this. Like my stack of transparent deco is like growing. Oh my goodness. But I love this so much. And yeah, I'm probably gonna use these very soon. I had some other ones picked out for my A5, but I'm probably gonna end up using this one because it's so beautiful. But then again, it's March, so like, do I use the green one? Like, that's when I start getting indecisive. But I just wanted to hop on here and show you all the mystery. I don't want to ramble on too long about other things because I know that I can, but I can save that for another video. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me to be able to continue to do videos like this. So please subscribe to my channel if you love videos like this. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.